Welcome to the Artist Assistant app, your creative companion. Built to help you manage your artwork, find new opportunities, and refine your craft with confidence. Artist Assistant provides powerful tools for inventory management, exhibition logging, and automated reporting. It even utilizes Gemini AI to help you find art shows anywhere at any time. It also has a feature called the Master's Eye, where you upload a picture of your painting and details, and it will create a professional critique report. Artist Assistant makes it easy to catalog your art, prepare for shows, and understand pricing. It's the perfect foundation for getting your work ready to sell, letting you focus entirely on creating. To experience the full potential of Artist Assistant, be sure to utilize the AI functionality in your phone's wireless printing capabilities. It provides research, descriptions, and creative support, giving you the full effect of having a professional studio assistant right in your pocket. Let's dive into your art inventory. Using this function, you're going to end up with a place that stores a picture of each one of your paintings. The title, the material used, the size, the price, and the description. It also keeps track of whether your painting has been sold, donated, or for sale at a gallery. When you first start out, you'll begin to add each one of your paintings. At the start, you'll see a blank information screen where you can do two things. Start to input your artwork or restore an inventory that you've already created and that is in your phone's file system. Let's start by tapping the Add Art button. The first thing to do is to upload a picture of your artwork. You can choose to take a picture or choose one from your phone. The best option is to just choose one from your phone. By the way, the best starting point is to have an album on your phone where every one of your paintings are. Take a picture of each one before you start to create your full inventory. Once you've picked out your picture, you can create its title. Then you tap your descriptions. Next, you need to input the size of your painting, the width, height, and the price you charge per square inch. You can leave the price per square inch alone if you want to give the painting your own price. When you use the square inch designation, Artist Assistant will calculate the price for you. Now, tap the material drop-down and choose what you use to create your painting. Next, tap the word Pick in order to bring up the calendar and choose the date the painting was created. Now, choose the status of the painting, whether it's available, sold, or donated. If it's sold or donated, then you'll have the option to fill out further information of who purchased the painting or where it has been donated. There is a checkbox for you to tap if the painting has been placed for sale in a gallery. If it has, you can input the gallery's name, the price they're selling it for, and the commission percentage that the gallery will get when it sells. The net price at the bottom will be calculated by the retail price minus the commission price. Okay, that's it. Tap the Save button, and your first item will be displayed on the list page as a card. Repeat this process for all of the paintings you want to inventory. Once you have your inventory cards up on the list screen, you can go back and edit any one of them by just tapping on one. That will bring up your edit page where you can view or change information and then resave it. To view a larger picture of your inventory item, simply tap on the picture and it will enlarge. Then tap the X to go back to the standard view. Once you create your inventory, you'll have the option to also create what's called a show prep and packing checklist, where you can choose what paintings you want to take to the show. To initiate this function, long press on the first card you want to choose. It will turn blue, then you can simply tap any other paintings to add to your show prep checklist. Once you've chosen them, tap the Add to Show button. Create individual notes for each item by tapping the tiny note icon at the top right. You'll notice a small note icon in any card that contains a note. Backup and restore from the three-dot menu at the top. Creating reports are the best thing about the Artist Assistant app. Be sure to hook up your phone to your wireless printer for these awesome paper reports. You can save, print, copy, and share them also. There are many more options to this art inventory function. Be sure to tap the top left app icon at any time for help. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Artist Assistant.